Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Truecaller app not working. So if your Truecaller application is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Sometimes your application might not be working because your internet connection is not stable enough. So make sure to check the internet connection. The next thing that you can do is update the application. For that, what you have to do is open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several options. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Truecaller. Now over here you'll be able to find the application for Truecaller. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, uninstall and update. Simply tap on the update option that you can see right over here on your screen. Wait for the application to be updated. Now you can see over here the application has been updated. After that your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. Simply tap on the storage option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. In this interface, what you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find the option for apps, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app storage. Over here, you'll have to find the application for Truecaller. Once you find the application for Truecaller, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface of Truecaller. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache that you can see right over here. Now the cache of this application has been cleared. Now your application should start working now. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling this application and install it again. After that, your app should start working. So that is how you fix Truecaller app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.